The answer is an overwhelming yes. And today we look at the mega wealth creation by Divi's Labs and its founder Murali Divi in Off the Charts. Now, Divi's Labs came out with its IPO in 2003 at 140 rupees per share. Now, assume you got 1000 shares for an investment of 1.4 lakh. Since then, the company has split its shares once from 10 rupees to 2 rupees and has given you 2 bonus issues of 1:1. Hence, you would be now owning 20,000 shares. Multiply that with the price today and you arrive at a mind-boggling number of 6.4 crores. That is 457 times returns on your investment, not taking dividend into account. Now, just to emphasize the dividend aspect, just last year, the company paid dividend of 32 rupees per share. And hence, if you had kept all your shares, the dividend income alone last year works out to 6.4 lakh, which is 4 times the original investment. Imagine making 4x of your returns every year as a bonus. Now, in 2003, when Divi's listed, the Indian pharma industry was dominated by the big four, Ranbaxy, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, and Sun Pharma, and this is what the market cap was. Now, since Ranbaxy and Sun Pharma are merged entity, we have taken the combined market cap. Divi's was, of course, the small cap company at that point. This is how they stacked up 17 years from that point. Now, Divi's is at 85,000 crores. Others have done reasonably well, of course, even Dr. Reddy's and Cipla, Sun Pharma, of course, being the number one at 1.2 lakh crores, but Divi's has been in a different orbit. Now, just a word on this phenomenal journey. The company was started with a capital of 10 crores, including 6 crores by the promoter family and 4 crores by investors who got an exit in the IPO in 2003. The company never tapped the markets, either equity or debt. Yes, it's another debt-free company. Not just that, its promoters have never felt the need to enjoy the riches by selling any of the stake in the company. And now let's look at the compounding machine that Divi's is. The revenues, 20% CAGR from 260 crores to 5,500 crores. EBITDA 20% CAGR from 82 crores to 2005 crores, and surprise, surprise, profit as well, 20% CAGR from 55 crores to 72 crores. Now, when you grow your top line and bottom line by 20% like clockwork, the market will give you higher and higher multiple. And that explains the 43% CAGR that you have seen in the market cap from 200 crores to 85,000 crores. And that is why Divi's Labs is now the most expensive pharma stock in India. Now, there have been some disruptions in this journey. The biggest one came in 2017 when the stock halved after getting first a warning letter and then an import alert from the US FDA for its Vizag unit. But you know what? The company managed to clear the plant within 9 months, which till now remains a record in terms of fastest remediation. And if you took the leap of faith in those bad times, you would have been rewarded with 5x returns in 3 years. Now, all of us have taken some kind of medicine at some point, right? I take my migraine medicine. You would always see the name of manufacturer on the packet. Have you ever seen the name of Divi's Labs on any of the medicines? You haven't, right? And there is a reason for that. The company does not make any drugs. It has restricted itself to making the ingredients, APIs, and contract research. Now, by doing this, it is not in competition with any of the branded generic company, but only complementing them. And in fact, it's a business model that hasn't changed in nearly 28 years. Finally, a word on the man behind his success, Murali Divi, someone who joined Dr. Reddy's as director in 1985, but quit in 1990 to form his own company. Mr. Divi is someone who believes in organic growth and hence has never gone in for any acquisition. He is considered a workaholic on weekdays, but loves to spend his time at his organic farms over the weekend. In fact, Forbes India described him as an accidental chemist after he told them that his main business is running farms and orchards and pharma is just a hobby. Well, not too many people can claim to create an empire of nearly 1 lakh crores by following their hobby, can they? That's Divi's Labs in Off the Charts today.